Riverside with Monterey County Free Libraries, and today I will be teaching you how to make your own miniature book or booklet. So first, we need to get into what materials we're going to need. So first, we will need a piece of paper. I will be using a piece of binder paper, but you can use any kind of paper for this. And of course, a pen so we can label it as our own book. And some stickers, if you have some, to help personalize it and make it more you, as well as some colored pencils. Okay, so let's get started with step one. So starting off, we have our piece of paper, and we're gonna do all the folds first. That will be step one. Here is our first fold, just in half. And once more, this is our second fold. And then one more fold. So 3 folds in total. And now you see we have a sort of tiny little book here. Okay, now for step 2. We'll be coloring the front and back of our book. I'll be coloring it in green because that is my favorite color. Of our book, we want to label it so we know that it belongs to us. Since my name is Jen, I will label it Jen's Booklet. And as I mentioned earlier with stickers, I'm gonna add a little sticker to mine. Let's see. For step 3, I'm going to begin by just coloring in the inside. In here, for step 3, is where we can add our own story. And we can do that however we want. Just going to write some notes. Perhaps you want a princess story. To write a story about family. Here is where you can add it. Of course, yours would have your own miniature story, but for now, this is just some notes for mine. So step 4 is where we open up our booklet. Now we have this big canvas, right? So here is where we can do a drawing. For my booklet, I'm gonna do some flowers in the grass. So for step 5, we're going to open it up. Now we have an even bigger canvas. This is my favorite part. So first, let's start off with giving it a background. I'm going to do our background in blue. Here, we can do another drawing. Everyone you would like. The second option, though, is to write a secret message. My secret message. Is I love you. That is our last step. You can choose either one, and you can write whatever you would like. It's all up to you because this is your book. Fold it back up. We have our booklet. All right, and then at the end, we are left with this beautiful booklet that we made ourselves. But the fun thing about the size of our booklet is we can take it anywhere with us, and we can share with our friends or family, and they can add on to our book or read our secret message, whichever one, or keep it to ourselves. Either way, I hope you had fun today, and thank you so much for watching.